I'm joined by Henry Dunn of Heroes Sports Pub and Restaurant. Thank you for joining us.
Well, thank you, Mary.
Henry and his lovely wife, Rosie, they own a very unique sports pub in Northeast Mesa. First of all, why did you name it Heroes?
Well, you know, Rosie's wanting to name it Henry, but I said absolutely not.
Oh, okay.
Actually, the real reason is my name is Henry, H-E, and Rosie's name's Rosie, R-O. So we came up with Heroes. That's how we came up with it.
I think that's really sweet. I like that. And why did you want a sports bar in the first place?
Well, you know, it's a sports bar itself has been one of my passions to own. So I bought this.
Great. And I know it's a very unique sports pub. What makes Heroes unique?
Well, you know, we're very unique because we cater to women and families. It's not your normal smoky sports pub.
Well, and how do you cater to women specifically?
Well, number one, we have seats with cushion backs, cushion seats. You have a hook on every table at the bar so you can put your purse on them.
Okay, I love the hook idea because it's so much better to hang your bag or jacket underneath you in front than putting it on the side of your chair and having someone walking by and knocking it down, or putting it on a chair and taking a chair away from the table that way.
You're absolutely right.
I think that's very thoughtful.
We're also unique because we serve healthy dishes.
Well, and I'm a frequent visitor to Heroes Sports Pub. It's such a fun place to go, and I'm familiar with these dishes. This is their Waldorf salad, and it is fantastic and comes with fresh apples and a honey yogurt dressing. They do an actual fresh vegetable basket. No fried vegetables in there, all fresh. Fresh fruit and cheese with nice water crackers. Then you have this great seared ahi tuna. It's light, it's delicious, and it is filling. And then we have several other healthy choices today. They brought the turkey sandwich, and it's paired with cottage cheese. You're also very family focused. How do you cater to families?
Yes, we are, Mary. Number one, we have the roomy booths. Okay, we have a kids' game room where the kids can go in and play their games while mom and dad's out having dinner. We have balloons. We have a full kids menu.
Well, that's definitely catering to the family. Most sports bars don't really cater to the family that much. Now, people who come in, they have these healthy choices, but it's still a sports pub. So tell me about your sports pub there.
Well, we have your typical wings. You know, we have half-pound burgers that are just mouth-watering. The ribs absolutely are the best ribs in town, guaranteed.
I hear they fall right off the bone.
Oh, they do. They do, Mary. The best.
Okay, well, let's talk about some of your weekly events that you have all the time at Heroes.
Well, during football, we have Sunday, we have specials on drinks and food during football all day long. We have Monday, we have Monday Night Football. We have happy hour. Tuesday, we have our poker, which is our Texas Hold'em. Wednesday, we have guys against girls trivia. And of course, all the guys win every week.
No, I've been there, and the girls win every week.
I disagree, but...
Now, you also brought along the Sports Select box. So I understand with 42 TVs and the main event being broadcast over the restaurant, that this is integral to your pub.
Absolutely, because you can take this little box right here, and you can hear your game no matter what game you want to hear.
So there could be 15 TVs all on different stations, and you just tune into the one you want to listen to?
Absolutely.
I think that's great. Very unique to your bar. Now, with Healthy You, Heroes is putting on a special giveaway. If you visit Heroes Sports Pub in Northeast Mesa on Power and McDowell and tell them that Healthy You sent you, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win a dinner for two monthly. So please go visit heroesaz.com or healthyutvshow.com. And don't forget to go to the restaurant and tell them we sent you.
Hi, my name is Rosie Dunn. My husband Henry and I are the proud owners of Heroes Sports Pub and Restaurant in East Mesa. We are very proud to support our community, and some of the ways we do that are by hosting fundraisers for groups such as Save Second Base. We also host a group called Ride for Semper Fi. We also host community blood drives for the American Red Cross, and we also do food drives for the United Food Bank. One of the things that we are very proud of is at Heroes, we provide a wall for anyone to display a picture of their hero because we all have one.